Have you ever reached checkout, tried 10 coupon codes and still paid the full price? Yes, same here. That's exactly why smarter shoppers use Coupert. Today I am showing you an AI-powered super shopping assistant that automatically finds coupons, keeps cashback and even compare prices for you, all for free. This is Coupert, launched back on July 15, 2017. Coupert is a free browser extension designed to help you save money effortlessly while shopping online. It works on almost every browser: Chrome, Edge, Opera, Firefox, Safari on desktop and Safari on mobile too. And to get this, 9 million users, 200,000 plus merchants worldwide, and the Trustpilot rating says it all, 4.8 out of 5. That's why the slogan is simple: smarter shoppers use Coupert. Coupert is not just a coupon tool, it's an AI-powered super shopping assistant that works in the background while you shop. Let me show you 3 core features that makes it powerful. This is my favorite feature. When you reach out the checkout page and click on apply coupon, Coupert will automatically search coupon and apply coupons for you. As you guys can see over here, I just click on apply coupon and I'm saving $160 on this order, and it will still find the coupons and get the best coupons for you. For example, it will find 17 coupons and testing those coupons and choose the best coupon to match my order. As you guys can see, already tested 15 coupons. It will take 10-20 seconds to search coupons, but it will save you a lot of money. As you guys can see over here, I saved $160 with Coupert. So the original amount is $22.99 and the discounted amount is $2,138. So $160 saved just with 20-second coupon search and with a extension. Coupert's automatic coupon testing works with over 3 million retailers. And here's the crazy part: you don't save on several eligible orders. Your orders may be protected and you can earn a cash reward. And you can check out the link in the description for more details. This literally guarantees maximum savings. Coupons are great, but Coupert's goes further. Coupert's offer cashback from 76,000 retailers including Temu's, Maxi, Sephora's and many more. And why this is better? Traditional cashback platforms took 30 plus days. Coupert just took 3 to 15 days. And you can withdraw via PayPal, gift card, bank cards. The more you shop with Coupert, the faster your cashback arrives. Now this is where Coupert becomes dangerous, in a good way. While browsing products, Coupert will show you the best price from other platforms, display real-time savings, helps you avoid overpaying. Supported on Amazon, Walmart, Maxi, eBay, Nike and more. As you guys can see over here, I am buying this shampoo from Walmart. It's a 10 miracle shampoo plus keratin. So it's priced at $30.17. And as you can see over here, this is a pop-up shows I can save $15.65. So just compare and save prices over here, and Coupert will show you where I can get the best price. In Walmart it's $40, and if this is Ulta, where it listed $24, here it listed $34, and somewhere it listed $41, $50. So it already saved me $15 over here. If I buy the shampoo from this website, it will save me $15. According to Coupert's real platform statistic, coupons $180 per year, cashback $86 per year, price comparison $330 per year, average total savings $600 per year. That's not theory, this is real user data. Getting started is easy. Install the Coupert using the link below, create a free account, shop normally and let Coupert do all the work. No effort, no cost, just savings. If you shop online, and let's be honest, we all do, there's no reason to not use Coupert. Install Coupert using my link in the description, because remember, smarter shoppers use Coupert.